Hello and welcome to this video course, Periscope for Entrepreneurs. You are now looking at the mobile live streaming application, Periscope. And Periscope is now showing on an Android device. And it actually is a very important application in today's live streaming culture. And it's giving entrepreneurs the opportunity to connect with buyers in a way that in the past they have not been able to connect. Now you might be asking, what exactly is Periscope? And as we said, Periscope is a live streaming application, and it was purchased and developed by Twitter in early 2015. And it's a very extremely unique platform, and it allows users to share their lives, share their business, share what's happening with them in real time. And they can do that wherever they are. Obviously, it's a mobile application, so wherever your mobile app can be, wherever there's a connection, you have the opportunity to live stream. And you can actually connect with anyone who wants to watch. Now, the beauty of Periscope is that it is simple to use. So anyone who has a mobile device, anyone who has a camera on that mobile device can use Periscope. And the other thing is that it's completely free. There are no webinar fees. There are no costs to the application. It is totally free to use. And that really is going to bring power to the application, not only in bringing buyers and prospects to your particular Periscope broadcast, but also in your ability to broadcast to them without hosting fees or without having to worry that you're overstepping in terms of bandwidth. Now, in order to get started, all a user really has to do is download the Periscope app from the App Store of their choice. Now, presently, that application is not available for Windows Phone. It's only available for iTunes or Android. The other thing is that, for the most part, Periscope is not available in an easy way to be used on a desktop computer. And you'll see that even if you were to go to the website, periscope.tv, you'll see that the only way to really interact with the website or the application is to download the app from the App Store or the Google Play for the Android device. Now, when we talk about ease of use, we're basically saying that all you really have to do with your mobile device is turn on your camera when you want to broadcast your applications and your activities. Now, when you turn off the camera, you're done. And you then have the ability to reach anyone that you are following, in addition to anyone who happens to find your live broadcast. So you're talking about being able to broaden your net, talking about being able to reach out to people who might be interested in your topic area, they might be interested in your niche, and whenever you are broadcasting live, just like any other old world television show, you are going to be able to find new buyers, new prospects, and people who are interested in what it is that you have to offer. And you'll see that as it was bought by Twitter, it looks very similar to Twitter. It looks like any other social network in that you have followers and you have people that you can actually connect with through the application. Now, because Twitter is interactive, Periscope is also interactive. And so it gives buyers and it gives prospects and it gives people who come to watch your live broadcast the ability to message you, the ability for you to talk back to them again. And all of that is happening in real time. And this is what's really powerful about this particular application. And it's why it's really catching on with people, whether or not they are involved in business or whether or not they're not. It's really allowing people to connect with people on a different level as things are happening. And that's really why this application, unlike others, are really catching on, sometimes in some ways even more so than webinars. And this is going to be a powerful way for people to connect in the future so that you'll be able to be more transparent with your buyers and then make yourself to be able to overcome that barrier of being known, of being liked, and being trusted. It is your opportunity to connect with people either before the sale, during the sale, and after the sale, and that is what we will be talking about in this video course. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.